Hi there, welcome to Paper Zen. If you need to make a quick and simple poinsettia gift box for a Christmas party, then try my free SVG pattern. Let me show you how easy it is to make. I've got all my pieces cut out already. The box and the leaves are cut from 80-pound cardstock, and you'll see that I've added some score lines to give them a little dimension. Then I've got some circles cut out of gold foil just to add a little bit of sparkle. Some other tools I'll be using are a Sharpie marker for the smooth round surface, some glue, a bone folder, and some vinyl transfer film. So the first thing I'm going to do is apply my vinyl because it's easier to do that when my paper is flat. So I'm just going to put the transfer film across these three dots here and rub the transfer film to pick up the dots. So this is the center of the flower. So I'm going to center these three dots kind of as if that were the middle of the flower. And just burnish that down. And do the same for the other side. Now I'm going to fold along all the score lines, and then I'm going to fold along the middle of these leaves. And now what I'm going to do is use my Sharpie marker and just soften all these panels. So I'm just pretending that that's curling ribbon to give it a little bit of a curl. And all we're doing is just telling the paper where we want it to go. So all we have to do is connect these two panels like this, and then these two panels together like this. Next, we'll just fold the leaves to give them some dimension, and the leaves can go anywhere you want. I find that when I'm looking at poinsettia flowers in the store, you can see the leaves, sometimes they go this way, that way, whichever way that you want to glue them. So when you've decided that that's how you want it to look, then I just add some glue along the middle here and glue that in place. And do the same for the other leaf. And if you happen to have some extra time, you can use a gold ink pad and just run it along the edge of your flower petals, and it just kind of gives it an extra festive look. You just kind of run it just along that edge and just gives it that little shimmer like that. I hope you had fun making this gift box with me, and I'd love it if you gave this video a thumbs up. Thanks, and see you next time. If you're new to Cricut Design Space and you're not sure how to set a score line, let me show you how it's done. When you import the box, there's two layers. This is the one with the black square here, and I'm going to choose that layer, and instead of a basic cut, I'm going to change it to a score. Then all of a sudden all these lines turn dotted, and then I'm going to come over here at the bottom right and click attach, and now these two layers are attached, and when you go to click make it, they will be scoring and cutting at the same time.